Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a bacteria culture which starts with 500 bacteria and doubles in size every half hour. Part A, we're asked how many bacteria are there after 3 hours. So if we start with 500, after 30 minutes, 1/2 hour, we've doubled to 1,000. After an hour, we've doubled again to 2,000. Again, in 90 minutes, we're at 4,000. At 2 hours, we doubled again to 8,000. Again, 16,000 for 2.5 hours, and 32,000 for 3 hours. So we can see by doubling 6 times, 2 times for 3 hours, we reach a population of 32,000 bacteria after 3 hours. So this is A. B, how many bacteria are there after T hours? So we can turn this exponential relationship into a function. So let's just call it f of t for t hours. So our A, right, so the basic form is a times b to the t. A is our starting point, which is 500, times b is the increase in 1 t hour. In 1 hour, we went from 5,000 to 2,000, right? That's times 4. 4 times again, 8,000 for 2 hours, 4 times again for 32,000 hours. Or for 3 hours, 32,000. So we're going up by a factor of 4 every time, every 2 hours. So if it's 4 cubed, we're multiplying by 4 3 times, which gets us 3 hours. So this is the expression that it wants. C, how many bacteria are there after 40 minutes? Well, this is f of 40 minutes. We don't plug in 40 because that would be 40 hours. 40 minutes is 2/3 of an hour, right? 40 divided by 60 is 2/3 of an hour. So we do 500 times 4 to the 2/3, and you just do this out in your calculator, and what you get is 1,259.92 bacteria. So we would estimate 1,260. And for D, we are asked to graph the population and estimate it for the time it takes to reach 100,000. So what I have here is I've plugged it into Desmos. We've graphed it, and we have it for T is from -10 to 10, although negative time doesn't really mean anything here. And we see how long does it take to get up to 100,000. And we can see here that I've actually zoomed out a little bit too far. But if we look, we can see 100,000 right there. And all we have to do is zoom in on whatever point this is until we're reasonably certain that we be confident with the value that it gives us. And we can see that it's roughly 3.82. At roughly 3.82 hours, our population is going to reach 100,000 based off of the estimations we've made in the first couple steps.